Hi, John here again from John of Smart Living in the Smart House again. Going to tell you a little bit about televisions. Televisions, there's about 1 billion different televisions in the world, all different shapes and sizes. Well, not shapes actually, they're all pretty much the same shape, but all different sizes, all different makes, all different qualities. We're a big Panasonic fan, always have been, because they're very, very reliable, very good pictures. They pretty much do what they say in the tin. You don't get any fluffy bits that are unnecessary, and equally you don't get any naff bits that you don't want. Very simple to work as well. Panasonic remote controls have always been a big thing for people to work, very easy to work. So very well laid out buttons, not too many, not too little. No naff kind of pointery things like you get in certain other makes. And they just do what they say in the tin. Great picture, very easy to use, nice looking as well, and again, like I say, super reliable. Panasonic televisions will last way longer than most other manufacturers. We've got televisions out in houses that are 15, 20 years old. If they'd been another manufacturers, they wouldn't be working anymore. So lots of different kinds. Go and ask somebody. Don't just buy something online, buy reviews and hope it's okay. Go to a local shop. In your local town, there's going to be somebody independent selling televisions, and just ask them, take their advice and spend the money that they're advising for what you want to get, and you'll get something good, and you'll get a bit of a back up there as well. If anything goes wrong, you can give them a phone and they'll help you. If you're buying it on the internet, you're not going to get any help. So Panasonic for me, but LG, Samsung, Sony, they're all good brands. We're a Panasonic fan, but pick what you like, but just go and take some advice from an independent dealer. Okay, if you want to know any more about anything we do, just visit the website. It's www.jrsmartliving.co.uk. Have a nice day.